With Channelscaler's Partner Journey Automation software, you can streamline, accelerate, and scale partner progress at every stage of their life cycle with you. Whether it's accelerating time to revenue through streamlined onboarding, helping partners reach the next tier in your partner program, or guiding them through upskilling and enablement, each journey is built to move your partners forward. Because when you're managing a growing number of partners, each at different stages of maturity, things get complicated fast. Some are just starting out, others are progressing to the next tier. And without automation, it's easy to drop the ball and slow down progress. That's where Partner Journey Automation, or PJA, comes in. Essentially, it's a roadmap that ensures partners get the right training, resources, and support exactly when they need it. Think of it as a GPS for partners. They always know where they are and what's next, without needing to ask. As a vendor, you'll get full visibility into your partner's progress, so it's easy to spot roadblocks and keep everyone moving forward. And with Channelscaler, building partner journeys has never been easier. Our drag-and-drop PJA builder means you can easily build structured, multi-stage journeys with clearly defined steps, milestones, and timelines, resulting in customizable templates tailored by partner type, tier, program, or business objective. Each stage supports dynamic fields and flexible input types. You can define dependencies, set progression rules, and use real-time data to personalize each partner's experience. Partners get instant access to training, resources, and key actions, along with real-time updates and clear guidance, so they always know what's done, what's next, and where to focus. They can track and complete tasks directly from the partner portal, while automated alerts and milestone reminders keep them moving forward. Interactive dashboards give vendors real-time visibility into journey status, with the ability to filter by region, tier, account manager, program type, and more. Role-based permissions and approval workflows ensure the right people have the right access, whether you're working directly with partners or scaling through distribution. Channelscaler helps you stay aligned across vendors, partners, and distributors at every stage of the journey. And with real-time data sync to your CRM, LMS, and other systems, steps are automatically populated, tracked, and completed, without any manual overhead. So if you want to accelerate onboarding, improve partner engagement, drive alignment, and gain real-time visibility into every partner's progress, visit channelscaler.com and request a demo today.